Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 30 video trading course for only $30 per month. So, anyways, on the US dollar again, I still think there's possibly two options here. Option number one is this makes three waves down and it's an ABC correction to this last five waves up. It makes three waves down and then continues the uptrend. Option number two, I still think, is that it possibly makes five waves down and takes out the low of wave four. Like I've been saying, it's exactly the same pattern until you get to about this point right here. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I have it labeled as an ABC, but it could definitely be a 1, 2, 3. I still don't see any evidence, at least on this time frame, that the wave B is over. We do have to keep in mind that this could and may even likely go back up to a higher Fibonacci level. So the trend is definitely still up. Going down to the daily time frame, we've had some pretty strong moves to the downside on the daily, but we do not have any breaks of structure. We do not have any lower highs. Technically, the daily is definitely still in an uptrend, which means that this move down could be a correction to this move up, and it easily could continue the uptrend. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulse to move up. Like I said, this very easily could be an ABC correction. If it is an ABC correction, then we'll most likely get a 78% or maybe an 88% fib bounce. Maybe look at something like that with a big engulfing move to the upside. So if we do see this picture right here, we definitely want to get back on the long side because the trend is definitely still up on the daily, weekly time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, as a 1 hour time frame trader or below, I would be looking for sorts right now for sure. But the thing is if this does make that double bottom or whatever at a Fibonacci level, then it breaks structure, that 3, 4, 5 state that we look for at the end of basically every single trend. If you see this picture right here with a nice clear break of structure, you definitely want to start looking for longs again. But like I said, until you see this picture, if you are trading the 1 hour time frame and below, then you probably should be looking for shorts in a downtrend until you do see this picture right here. And if it doesn't happen, then just continue to look for shorts at the end of every pullback you see. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.